Yes, friend, here there are two questions on the board. One, two trains A and B, each of length 200 meter, are moving on parallel tracks. One train overtakes the other in 40 seconds and other crosses uh, in 20 seconds. Another crosses the one in 20 seconds. Calculate speed of two trains. Two trains are moving on parallel track. Actually, when we talk cross the other, in which they are moving in same direction. So when they move in same direction, then one means so A crosses B. A overtakes B, sorry, in 40 seconds. But when they move in opposite direction, then B crosses A in 20 seconds. Solution of 1. Let V1 and V2 be the speeds of two cars. है भाई ठीक two cars of cars A and B. When A overtakes B, then velocity of A, yes, with respect to B equal to V1 minus V2. And in overtaking it, since length is 200 meter, in overtaking car A or train A has to travel a distance of 400 meter in 40 seconds at speed of V1 minus V2, and hence V1 minus V2 into 40 equal to 400, and from here V1 minus V2 equal to 10 seconds, equation 1. While they are crossing, if other train crosses the other, then the two trains are moving. If they are crossing each other, if the other train crosses the one, then the two trains are moving in opposite direction. So, speed of B with respect to A is V2 plus V1. Yeah, V1 plus V2, that will get added. And hence, V1 plus V2 into 20 equal to 400. Why? Because in crossing again by speed or the train length है 200 and 200. भाई ये क्रॉस करेगी तो यहाँ से इसने दिस मच डिस्टेंस है टू बी ट्रेवल्ड, यहाँ आया फिर ये 200 ये 200 ये ऐसी क्रॉसिंग में, एंड फ्रॉम हियर V1 प्लस V2 क्या होगा? V1 प्लस V2 इक्वल टू 20, ये सेकेंड. Adding 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2V1 equal to 30 or V1 equal to 15 meter per second. Putting this value of V1 here, putting V1 equal to 15 meter per second, V2 equal to, in equation 2, V2 equal to 5. So that way there is a trouble of language to understand. Okay, two trains each of length 200 meter were moving on parallel track. One crosses the other in 40 seconds, the other in, and when train A overtakes B in 40 seconds while B crosses A. So when they overtake, they move in same direction, and when they cross each other, they move in opposite direction. And then we have to find relative velocity. It was simply a question of relative velocity. So you have got it. No? Now second question is there. I like it. Two towns A and B are 480 km apart on a straight path. From two towns, two cars start simultaneously. Car goes from A to B in 8 hours and car from B to A in 12 hours. Calculate when and where the two cars meet each other. There are two towns A and B which are 480 km apart. There are two towns here, A and B. Their distance between them is 480 km. So where and when they will cross? Like this. So question to very simple. How? But we must know the speed. So since car from town A goes to town B in 8 hours. So speed of car going from A to B is equal to 480 upon 8, 60 km per hour. Dear student, we are starting from very fundamental things. Speed time graph, distance time things. These are fundamental things, but people feel difficult because they are not habitual of doing problems. And nowadays students are very having very poor performance in arithmetic. That is the trouble. Now, car from B goes to A in 12 hours. So, speed of car going from B to A, that is 480 upon 12, 60 kilometer. नहीं sorry 40 kilometer per hour. So now it is clear. Okay, car starting here going at 40 kilometer per hour and it is here at 60 kilometer per hour. Now let them meet at time t. If the two cars meet at time t, since they start simultaneously, so 60 into t plus 40 into t equal to 480. So it is 100t equal to 480. So t equal to 4.8 hours. After starting of their time at 4.8 hours, both will meet. Now hard distance here का distance traveled by car from going from A to B, going from A to B equal to 60 into 4.8 kilometer. It is equal to 0, 6 8 48, 24 28. So 288 kilometer. We are decimal है ना? So they will meet at distance of 288 kilometers from A at time 4.8 hours. So such type of question can be asked in. I will do some questions which have been solved, which have been asked in competitive exam also, based on speed time graph, based on simply definition of speed and velocity. I have told you all things in detail. So we will meet in next video with more problems. Thank you.